How to earn money from walking. Whether you stretch your stuff or barely break a snail's pace, if you've got the steps, you can turn walking into money, a career or freebies. Here's how. Apps that pay you to walk. If you're looking for an app that pays you to walk, here are the best ones. Sweatcoin. Available on iOS and Android. The Sweatcoin app lets you collect sweat coins that can then be exchanged for real-life rewards in the app. You earn 0.95 sweat coins for every 1,000 outdoor steps you take, roughly half a mile. You can then use your coins to get discounts and sometimes free stuff from the App Store. Better Points. Available on iOS and Android. Better Points is similar to Sweatcoin in that you collect points for exercising, in this case, walking, running or cycling. You can earn both Better Points and Better Tickets. Better Points can be collected and redeemed as vouchers at various high street stores, while Better Tickets enter you into a draw to win a bumper amount of Better Points. Available on Android. When using WinWalk, you earn 1 WinWalk coin for every 100 steps you take, up to 10,000 steps per day, 100 coins. These coins can be used to redeem gift cards, like £10 at Costa, 21,000 coins, £10 at Primark, 21,000 coins, or £15 at Netflix, 31,500 coins. Lifecoin. Available on iOS and Android. Similar to Sweatcoin, Lifecoin rewards you with its own in-app currency which you can exchange for prizes. For every 1,000 steps, you'll earn 0.95 Lifecoins. Charity Miles. Available on iOS and Android. Charity Miles isn't an app for making money for yourself, but it instead lets you raise money for your favorite charities by moving, whether that's walking, running, dancing, riding your bike or something else. Ways to make money walking. These are the best ways to get paid to walk. Get paid to do tasks. People are willing to pay for just about anything nowadays, and that includes random errands and deliveries. If you live in an urban area where you can easily get around without a car, then this is the perfect way to earn some spare cash by walking, although you'll have to be prepared to go out of your way to get the job done. From late-night chocolate runs to helping people move boxes into their new flat, you'll have to be up for anything. But you can pick jobs that fit around your schedule, and that you're comfortable doing, and it's a useful way to earn an extra £30 to tide you over at the end of term. Unfortunately, tasking apps advertising these kinds of jobs aren't available everywhere yet, but there are a couple of big ones that are growing rapidly. Become a human billboard. We may be living in the digital age, but we reckon you're only ever 2 streets away from a guy wearing an all-you-can-eat buffet sign. There are lots of rules and regulations on placing adverts on streets in the UK, so companies often choose to hire someone to display a sign for them. Human Directionals is the official job title, in case you were wondering. It's easy money and involves a lot of standing around, but don't expect to get paid much more than the minimum wage. Become a tour guide. If you live somewhere busy with loads of landmarks, beauty spots or layers of history, you could become a tour guide to make money. Tour guiding involves leading people around a town, city or wilderness route and pointing out hidden gems or points of interest along the way. You're not stuck with the great outdoors, either. You could arrange guided tours of public museums or art galleries. Although it's often seasonal work, you can do it on your own time and schedule, and charge what you like. Get paid to walk dogs. Most student houses won't even let you house a goldfish, never mind a golden retriever, so if you're a dog person, becoming a dog walker can be a win-win. There are loads of potential clients, from pensioners to people with a 9-to-5 job, or pretty much anyone else who can't manage 2 or more walks a day. Typically, with sites like Care Pets, you'll pick up/drop off dogs and walk them for an agreed amount of time or distance, 1 or more times a day. Always keep your pooches on a lead for more security and less stress. Start a fitness trail. If you're looking to get paid to walk and you're motivated, lively and can maintain a cracking pace, leading a fitness trail could be up your street, or hill, if you're feeling hardcore. You don't have to stick to walking, either. Running and parkour are usually pretty popular too. Getting a successful group going can generate a regular income for you, as well as a chance to meet new people. Plus you'll have zero excuses for skipping your own workout.